welcome everybody to the Raccoon Days channel. Today we're going to be opening up the Zoroark V-Star Premium Collection box. Got it opened up a little bit already. Alright. Alright. So, we've got the Zoroark V-Star card here. Got that card. And we've got the Zoroark V in this pack. There we go. And got the coin. And here's that code card. I don't use these. Alright, and we've got a pin. Really nice pin, like that. And, not sure what that is. It's like a solid plastic. Alright, we got the big card right there. And let's go through these cards. Got our first pack. Alright, got the code card. We can do 1, 2, 3 to the front. And we got the energy. Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, okay. Not got anything good yet. Getting there. Alright, we've got Haunter. Nice, shiny Haunter. And, ooh, nice, got another V-Star. Cool. Alright, good start. Alright, let's open this next pack here. Alright, got the code card here. And let's do 1, 2, 3 the front. I'm gonna get rid of that energy. Alright, trainer. Okay. Another trainer. Ducklet, okay. Ooh, that's a good one. It's cute. I like that one. Okay. Oh, we got another shiny. Poliwrath. Okay. And okay. That one's not bad. Another shiny. Alright. Hit some pretty okay cards. I don't know a ton about Pokemon cards, so this is going to be a journey we will take together. Alright, here's that code card. Okay, got 3 at the front. There's the energy. Got a trainer. Okay. Another trainer. Alright. I don't think I've seen that one before. Okay. Interesting. Ooh. Okay, got another shiny. And, alright, I do have this one already. Still making some good progress. Alright, now we're opening Sword and Shield Evolving Skies. Alright, here's that code card. Gonna do 1, 2, 3 to the front. That should be the energy. Yep. Okay. Alright, starting off with the trainer. Okay, and energy. Okay. Not sure that is in the corner. You guys will have to tell me if there's anything really good in here. Okay, Hitmonchan, alright. Lotad. Okay, we got a shiny treasure energy. Ooh, Zoroark. That is a good, nice card. I like that one. I like the art on this one. Alright. Here we go. Alright, let's open up this one. We've got Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. Alright, get the code card. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And we should have the energy. Okay. Let's go through this. Alright. Spongy gloves. Okay. Interesting. Growlithe. Okay. Snuffle. Alright. Interesting. Oh, I got another Toxel. I haven't seen that art before. That one's kind of cool. Totodile. Okay. Alright. We got a shiny blue. And I already have this card, but I have it in a shiny. So. Alright. Take those out. Set them aside, and let's get into this last pack. Set that aside. Alright. Get into this last one here. Alright, we got the code card. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 to the front. Alright, we got a trainer. Okay. Ghastly, alright. Delibird. Farfetch'd. Hello, Farfetch'd. He's one of my favorites. Porygon, okay. Metagross. Okay, we got a shiny Justified Gloves. Okay. Oop, got it stuck. Oh, okay. Look at that. We got another VMAX. There's an extra energy stuck to the end. Can we pull the... Interesting. Okay. Alright. Got another VMAX there. Kind of cool. I don't know what this Pokemon is. So let's see what we've got today. Out of our VMAXs, we got... Or V-Stars and VMAXs, or whatever they're called. Okay, we've got one VMAX, which was this guy right here. Then we got a V-Star here. And the Zoroark V-Star that was in the front of the box. And the Zoroark V. Alright. And then out of our regular shinies here, we had a couple of trainers, just some regular Pokemon. This one was probably one of my favorites, Zoroark. Alright. And Haunter is another one of my favorites. I do like that card as well. Alright. And that about wraps it up for today.